Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the hot and spicy Sriracha palette. The Sriracha palette is by Peachy Queen, a small indie brand. And when I saw it, I was really intrigued by it, especially since I love Sriracha sauce on pizza. Who's with me? Pizza, Sriracha on pizza. Come on. Yes, you know it. It is so good. And when I saw the colors, I thought they were perfect for the summer. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? And then also it has a nice mirror. The packaging is, feels like it's cardboard, so it would be recyclable. And so yeah, I ended up with this look right here. So if you want to see how I achieved it, keep on watching. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell as I upload videos weekly for women in their 40s and above. So without further ado, I'm gonna be corny. Let's get spicy. Okay, so I've zoomed in so we can start our eye look. And first of all, as always, I'm going to prime with our P. Louise base. Like so. Okay, so now I'm going to start off with this yellowish color right here, like mustard. And then I'm going to take a Sigma. This is the Sigma E25. And I'm just going to start putting that in the crease area or a little bit higher right there. Kind of do our transition. So far, you know, I'm getting good pigmentation out of it. So I'm going to go into It's Lit. I saw a look by, I don't know, it's not showing up really well on camera, but it's actually kind of like a neon yellow. For some reason, it's not it's showing more orangey. But in person, it's a neon yellow, neon orange, I mean. So that's weird. So I saw Nikki Tutorials do an eye look with almost kind of the same colors. So I want to see if I can do something a little bit closer to that. So we'll see how it goes. Cross your fingers for me. Because I'm not as good as, I don't think I'm as good as Nikki Tutorials. But let's give it a try. I'm just going to apply this right here. Like so. And there is no kickback. Just gonna put this in the inner third part of the eyelid. And now we have that place. So we'll see where this takes us. So I'm gonna dip into fire. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna do fire. If it doesn't turn out, I won't upload the video. I'll put that right here, kind of right next to She's Lit. And on this side too, like so. And then I'm gonna go into Blaze, this red, really red one. I kind of want to see how many colors I can use from the palette in this look. I'm gonna go right here. Let's see how that looks. Like so. Now we got a little bit more red. And then I'm going to take even a smaller brush. Let me see if I can find a really teeny tiny one. And I'm gonna go into Red Hot, which is this one over here. It's a lighter red with this little teeny brush. Just to put it right there. Ooh, Red Hot is bright. So now I'm going to take some concealer. I'm going to use this MAC Pro Longwear concealer. So this is what it looks like. Take a little bit on my hand. This one I ended up being a little bit off, but we'll fix that right now. Because when you do a spotlight look, you want it to be on top of your pupil. To align with your pupil, just like that. It's late. I can hear the bugs slam against my window, which I hate. I don't exactly like bugs, but I like hearing that against my screen, the screen on my window, I mean. I like to hear that because I know that means summer. We have a very long winter, so this is exciting for us. All right, so now that we've got that, then I'm gonna go in, this one right here. So now I'm going to take this color, it's like an orangey shimmer. And I'm gonna take that and lightly put it beside that silver, besides the lit it up. Right here, let's see what it does. I don't know if it's really noticeable. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it. It's kind of unique. That little silver spotlight. But I have some new pigments that I wanted to try out. Let's see if that works. This is a pigment I got from the Beautiful Studio, the Be Beautiful Studio. And this one is called Opalite. So what I want to do is take that one and see how it works when I apply that in the center, kind of like a little extra, because I'm extra. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna take a little bit, put that right there. Oh yeah. So I think they gave it a little more shimmer to it, shimmer. So now we have that, and I'm going to take, like I said, this color called Fuego, this dark brown, to give us, as usual, on the outside, a little bit of dimension. So I'm going to take that one and just put it right here, the corner. All right, what do you guys think? Do you like this type of spotlight look? I think it's saucy is the way I see it. All right, so I'm going to go and put some eyeliner on and some lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back, and I've applied the lashes, and I did do a dark brown liquid liner. I really like this one from Jolie. It's called, what's it called? Kitten Liner. So to finish up, let's start with our bottom lash line. I know that usually I do the darker one, but I'm gonna do Blaze and see how that looks since it's red. We want some spicy eye look. Like so, and then I'm going to take this little pencil brush from Makeup Geek, and I am going to go into It's Lit, which is that orangey color. Just go right here to blend this Fuego. What was it called? Blaze called. It's called Blaze out. Kind of what I did on the top, I'm going to do at the bottom. I'm going to take this little brush that I used up top, but I know I cleaned it. And I'm going to dip it into light it up and put it right there. I don't know if it shows that much, but since it's not showing up as much as I'd like it to, then I'm gonna try using the pigment. See if that works. Seems to work a little better. And then we need some mascara. For mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash. There we go. And now I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna be right back with my thoughts on the palette. All right, so I'm back, and I put on some lipstick and a little bit of the highlighter. I did end up putting in the inner corner the again, that silver. It really is a very nice shimmer. And then I used, actually, as my cheek highlight, I ended up using this one called Spicy. So I kind of took advantage of the whole palette, which is really nice when you can do that. I think I missed like a couple colors, maybe 2, 3. No, I missed two. Saucy and Hot Mama are the only two that I didn't use in this whole palette. Okay, so that is the look. Let me know what you guys think. Did you like the palette? And like I said, I'm a fan of Sriracha, so it's kind of cool, and I like to play with these palettes. It's nice to support smaller indie brands, and at the same time, they end up turning sometimes a lot better. The products end up working out a lot better than the bigger brands. So, you know, it's kind of a win-win situation. So let me know what you guys think. Would you buy it or would you pass on it? And I will put the details of where, you know, as always, the links are down in the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to take care of yourself. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.